A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research. PCE, professional, calibrated equipment.
Hello together. I have here from PCE the LPS 1305 and had a look at it. That is a power supply which is totally suitable for the normal laboratory work, even for the upscale hobbyist who has fun with it. So now when I turn it on, it makes sense. There is the switch. You can see the blue 7-segment indicator, which are very good to read. Output voltage CV, that is here the voltage. Nothing comes yet because I have to turn it on. So and now it shows 15 volt that I can regulate continuously from 0 to maximal out. 30 volt, and I can go down to a 3.4 volt. That is the area I can set here. I have also for the voltage, I want to set a fine setting wheel. It is here. It is not so coarse as the other one. I can set 0.1 volt easily. That is first the constant voltage. It stays constant by different loads. It is regulated very good here, as well as the pump part for, but we have that all in a data sheet. It is by different voltages and streams different, but that is natural. So now we come to current. I set around 30 volt, and the current 5 amps. We'll have a look at that. I'll torment it because it's not showing any power. When nothing flows, is nothing shown. I'll just short circuit it. And now we can see here 670 milliamps. And now when I turn here on the power setting, you can see it goes up to 5.1 amp. Let's turn it down and not torment it too much. The cables will probably get too hot too quick. And naturally you don't see any voltage. Why? Because the power that flows here ensures that the voltage breaks down, or the performance goes up to infinity. This thing, not because it has a transformer in it, and it doesn't make any sense. Because the devices that I work with, I want to protect. That is why I have a power limitation in it. And when the set power is achieved, then it regulates the voltage down so far that the power is not exceeded. I'll open it back up and then I have my normal voltage. So a standard device for laboratories and for the upscale hobbyist. For 30 years I would have dreamt of something like this, and with very good data. It is light, pretty light, not a heavy clump. It is a linear device. That means it is not a switching power supply, and it is usable in those areas where I have problems with high frequencies. Switching power supplies have problems often because they send out overwaves, and in radio area is not good. This is the HF area, quiet, very quiet. So the LPS 1305 from PCE, a piece what makes fun.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.